Many mothers are complaining that, ma'am, I'm trying to instill a lot of positive discipline with firmness to my child, but the grandparents who are staying with us are actually pampering the child and overwriting everything that I am trying to teach. I would like to say to these mothers that, one, if you are trying to follow certain process to improve your child and teach discipline in a positive way, then please sit with them, help them understand the logic of what you are trying to do for the child, what is the benefit that you want the child to get from it, and what is the logic behind what you are trying to do. Most cases, if the grandparents really are wanting the good of the child, they will listen to you. Do not approach this conversation as if you are accusing them. Try to ask them how you want their help to implement certain positive discipline methods to the child that you have learnt. If after doing all this also the grandparents do not agree and continue to pamper the child, then let me tell you that let it be. It's not going to cause a major damage. The child will eventually understand what you are trying to do and what the grandparents are trying to do. Grandparents oftentimes have, when they've been very strict with their own kids, when the grandkids come along, they want to pamper them, they want to shower all the love and affection, and they want to do things with the grandkids that they could never do with their own children. And I think grandparents deserve that liberty. So as long as what they are doing is not completely clashing or going against what you are trying to do, allow them that liberty. But at the same time, like I said, talk to them, have an open, honest conversation, share your concerns, and also understand their emotions in dealing with your child, and work together with them so that they can give all the love and pampering while you can do what you have to do for the child without you becoming the villain in your child's eyes. Remember, as children grow up, they do eventually understand why the parents were the way they are and why the grandparents were the way they are. And most of the time, let me tell you, children deserve both approaches. My children have grown up with grandparents who have pampered them, allowed them to eat stuff that we didn't allow them to eat, and that's fine. They remember that with a lot of love and fondness. So let your child also experience the unconditional love and pampering of the grandparent. At the same time, you continue to do what you need to do as a parent, and see if the grandparents are cooperative or not. If they are not, it's okay. Do not use that to create conflict in the house, because a conflict of you with the grandparents will damage the child more than the pampering would damage the child. So I hope this answers your question, and I hope that this can give you some guidance to proceed correctly in this area.